Hello from Forefront Design Specialist, who loves GIS. Today we're going to automate it in AutoCAD Civil 3D Map. With the #1 GIS automation tool on the global market, the Geospatial Editor. Just activate the Geospatial Editor, select the file location, select your center line, and now we're going to set the GIS data after this, and then import that GIS data so we can globally edit it. QC it, zoom to it, making sure that GIS data is accurate with the Geospatial Editor. The Geospatial Editor gives you total control of all your data lands in the form, as well as pushed out, exported into a Geospatial report with distance, X and Y, so you have total control of your GIS data. Every time you double click within the form, you zoom to those locations in model space. It also highlights it in the Geospatial report red, so you know exactly where you are per line item. This amazing GIS automation tool is going to save your projects time and money. Let's make some quick GIS global edits with the Geospatial Editor to our parcel data here and show you how easy it is to have total control of your GIS data management interface with the Geospatial Editor. Just edit your Geospatial report, hit a hard save, and then update your GIS data with the Geospatial Editor. Let's make some quick edits, QC our edits, and then correct our edits. And all done globally. Super fast GIS edits with the Geospatial Editor. We are ready to update our GIS data. Watch how fast this is. If we're working with the same GIS data table, you can import it back instantly. Otherwise, you'll select the Reset Layer List button and re-import your GIS data. You can review your data in the Geospatial report, or you can QC and review your data in the Geospatial Editor form. This amazing GIS automation tool comes with a Zoom to tool, so you can very quickly QC your data and ensure accuracy and accountability. We see we got some edits. Let's edit that real quick and show you how fast we can edit our GIS data globally. Very nice. We made some quick GIS edits. Let's update our GIS data with the Geospatial Editor and QC our data. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. This amazing GIS automation tool is going to save your project's time. Just double click on the distance and zoom to that location. Geospatial Editor, whether you're in paper space, wherever you are, the program is going to zoom to that location. The Geospatial Editor is going to help you auto set your GIS data, edit your GIS data, quality check your GIS data, whatever you need globally with the Geospatial Editor. What else can this tool do? It can auto-create GIS data from a CSV file. Let's show you how that's done. Alright, let's open up Excel here. We're going to name our sheet. I'm going to call this GIS. And then I'll create some headers, what I want my GIS object data table to look like. Alright, let's go ahead and save this file as a CSV. Alright, we'll close this file out and we'll go ahead and check it out. As you can see, no object data table is in here for this GIS. This object data table we just created. Now we're ready to select the button with our geospatial letter. Let's find our file, just hit open, and that's it. Instantly your GIS object data table is created. That fast, ladies and gentlemen. What else can the geospatial letter do? This awesome GIS automation tool can auto-attach GIS data to all of your line work, polylines, blocks, and symbols automatically. And it doesn't override any existing GIS data already attached to your polylines, blocks, or symbols. Just set the object data table you want, which field you're looking for, and then what layer that you want to attach it to, all those layer objects. And again, this program will not attach that object data table to an object if it already has that object data table attached to it. This is a great tool when you need to auto-attach GIS data and you don't know where you need to attach it to, which objects. This is also a two-function tool and works for COGO points. Check out that COGO point. Alright, now we're just going to set the object data table we want to use. We're going to select the source button and we're going to select the COGO point. And then we'll see the data show up. We'll select what we want to choose and add as a descriptor. Select the destination button and select the object, polyline, block, or symbol. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, fast GIS automation per your COGO points in AutoCAD Civil 3D with Map and the Geospatial Editor. You can also keep adding to it, so if you want to add to those other attribute values within your object data table, just keep adding whatever you need from your COGO points. As GIS data attached to your polylines, blocks, and symbols. The Geospatial Editor can support your projects at many vertical levels. What else can the Geospatial Editor do? If you ever need to export out your GIS object data tables, your headers, maybe your client's headers, and you need to make those into Excel reports, geospatial reports of your GIS data, the Geospatial Editor is going to do it for you. The Geospatial Editor is going to guarantee no data loss. All of your data is intact. No data is cut off at 10 characters with the Geospatial Editor. This is for our property line data. Let's do it again so you can see how amazing this Geospatial Editor tool is. And here's my GIS data exported out with the Geospatial Editor. The Geospatial Editor lets you export your GIS data, any kind of data, out into any format you need. You can also set your world projection with the Geospatial Editor. At the end of the day, the Geospatial Editor AutoCAD Civil 3D Map application is going to automate all your global GIS data edits for all your centerline projects.